Panoramic views overlooking Ole River and Ono Island from this top floor 2-bedroom/2-bath riverside condo at Shipwatch, along with great golf and island views from front balcony. Easy beach access directly across the street along with full boating facilities. This furnished residence features low-maintenance porcelain tile flooring throughout and has not been a rental. Relax and enjoy the boats go by from your extra-large balcony with over 230 square feet of outdoor living space. The spacious living room features corner fireplace, built-in TV cabinet and raised box ceilings that gives the room an open feel. New high-end living and dining room furnishing from Coco Island. So much new decor throughout the condo. Open concept kitchen with spacious island, natural wood cabinetry, stainless appliances, granite countertops, and eat-in bar. The master bedroom, with master bath, has a large walk-in closet and access to the riverside balcony. New water heater 2022. New HVAC system with upgraded epoxy coils, to withstand the salt air, installed April 2021. Shipwatch owners enjoy the beaches plus boat launch, boat storage and first come, first serve boat slips on the deep waters of Ole River. You also have plenty of room to store your beach, pool and boating supplies with 2 owner storage closets. Shipwatch has a strong homeowner associations and an on-site management and maintenance staff. Other amenities include 2 pools, golf and riverfront, 2 clubhouses, golf and riverfront, tennis courts, 2 pickleball courts, fitness room.